clams and shrimp in butter and black beans. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 ounces of butter in a pot. Add Julienne ginger. Followed by half of the sliced onions and 8 cloves of sliced garlic. Include the white portion of sliced scallions. Add 1 pound of clams. And 1 pound of shrimp to the pot. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the clams and shrimp are cooked. Add red pepper and 3 tablespoons of salted black beans. Incorporate the remaining green scallions. Cover for an additional minute. Serve and enjoy. Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.